Welcome back to the Happy Camper, coming to you from our sponsors dealership at Rocky Mountain RV in beautiful Butte, Montana. Today's tech tip is going to be on fireplaces in units with 30 amp service. So when your trailer is equipped out of the factory, it's going to have one of two services for the electricity. It's either going to have a 30 amp or a 50 amp. 50 amp service units were traditionally made so you could run two air conditioners. You're going to see it on big fifth wheels, toy haulers, that type of thing. Anything's made to run two ACs. Well, the 30 amp service units are fine, and that's what most of the units we see out here in Montana are going to be. But the thing that they've run into is they're starting to stress that 30 amp service more than it can handle. So the big problem is when you get multiple electrical items that draw large amounts of electricity. This particular unit has a Furrion electric fireplace installed, as well as a roof mount air conditioning system. And that's where we come into this little switch right here. And what Forest River has done is they make you select whether you want to run your fireplace or your air conditioner. On a 30 amp wired unit, you're not going to be able to run both at the same time. And quite honestly, who would want to? If it's warm enough to need AC, you don't need a fireplace. If it's cold enough to need a fireplace, you don't want your AC. So it makes sense to do it this way. And I have seen them also do this to where they have the fireplace or the microwave wired on here, so you have to select one or the other. So again, if you see this in your unit, that's what that's for, because if you were trying to run a fireplace and an air conditioner, you would trip the circuitry out. It would be more than what the 30 amp service can handle. The same idea with a fireplace or a microwave. If you see this switch, that's what that's for. It's just simply making you select so we don't overstress the electrical system in our RV. So that's today's tech tip, coming to you from the Happy Camper. If you appreciate our content, please like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Thanks again, and happy camping.